My dear friends, am I audible? Jyoti Krishnan.
Yes, sir.
Soumya. Thank you, Soumya. Right. Shashank. Thank you. Thank you so much for your response. Right. Right. Oh. My dear friends, let me introduce first. My name is M.C.P. Saheb. M.C.P. Saheb. It is my name. My experience. I have 22 plus years of teaching experience. I can teach the subjects C language, C++, Java, Python, data structures very well. Batch timings. Batch timings are every day 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Batch duration. Batch duration is 45 number of days. 45 days. Batch start date. What is today? 30th October 23. It is about my introduction. Right. My dear friends, before going to continue the class, first of all, let me explain what is the need of C language. Why we need to learn C language. My dear friends, in English, how many alphabets are there? Speak out. My dear friends, if the class is interactive, then it is very beautiful. Sai Reddy. How many alphabets are there in English? Shashank, speak out.
26.
Very good. 26. Suppose I know only 25 or I know only 24 alphabets. Then what is the problem with that? 26 alphabets are there in English, but I know just 25 alphabets. I don't know one. Or I know only 24. I don't know two alphabets. Then what is the problem with this? We cannot read any word. It is not possible to read any word. So less communication. Good, Sashak. So we cannot read any word. We cannot read any sentence. We cannot read any paragraph. That is the problem. So to read English, total 26 characters are very, very important. In the same manner, to learn any programming language like C++ or like Java or like Python or .NET, to learn any programming language, C is very, very fundamental. It is very, very important. Without C, you cannot learn any programming language. So that is the importance of C language. C is a basic programming language. Without C language, you cannot learn any programming language easily. When you learn C programming language very efficiently, then you can learn any programming language on your own without any assistance. you can learn any programming language. When you learn C language very well, that is the importance of C language. Now, my dear friends, what is C? I am going to explain you the history of C programming language. My dear friends, I already told you some names of programming languages. These are called some programming languages. Basically, the programming languages are two types. One is low-level language. Low-level language. Second one is high-level language. Low-level programming languages, high-level programming languages. What the low-level programming language means? In this, you need to write the program by using simple zeros and ones. Means you need to write the program by using machine language. Machine language. So this machine language is called as a low-level language. It contains only zeros and ones. But whereas in high-level language, you can write program by using simple English words. Simple English words you can use. So if you write a program by using English words, then it is called high-level language. If you write a program by using zeros and ones, then it is called a low-level language. Now, high-level languages are very easy to understand. Why? Because we know English very well. So it is easy to understand. It is very difficult to understand. Why? Because it doesn't use any English. It uses only zeros and ones. Now, there is one popular high-level programming language. Its name is BCPL. BCPL. The meaning of BCPL is Basic Combined Programming Language. It was developed by Martin Richard. Who is the developer of this one? Martin Richard. At the time of this programming language, they are using one operating system. It is called DOS. DOS means disk operating system. Actually, it is a single user operating system. Single user operating system. What is the meaning of single user means? It can support to only one person at a time. Only one person can use this operating system at a time. So it is called a single user operating system. So they want to develop a multi-user operating system instead of single user operating system. So they want to develop a multi-user operating system. To develop this multi-user operating system, they used BCPL and they tried to develop. But they came to know that BCPL is a programming language which is having less efficiency. So to design this program operating system, they developed a new programming language and named it as B. So from BCPL, a new programming language was developed and its name is B. So BCPL led it to B. Led it to B. It was developed by, who is the developer? It was developed by Ken Thompson. Who is that? Ken Thompson. He is the developer of B. By using B language, they successfully developed one multi-user operating system. It is named as Multics. Now we are using some operating systems, Linux operating system, Unix operating system, Windows operating system, Windows, Android. All these are different operating systems. So it is the first multi-user operating system. It was developed by using the programming language B. Here, my dear friends, we came to know about two programming languages, BCPL and B. Actually, these two are typeless programming languages. BCPL and B are typeless. What is the meaning of typeless? Typeless programming languages means these two doesn't support data types. In these two programming languages, you cannot use the data types. So, what is the meaning of typeless? Means these doesn't support data types. So, these two are called typeless programming languages. Then there is a person, Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie is the person who developed a new programming language and introduced the data types. What is the meaning of data type, my dear friends? Data type means what? Suppose, my dear friends, you have so many cool drinks. Tell me what are the names of cool drinks? Thumbs up, Pepsi, Maaza, Coca-Cola. All these are cool drinks. All these are types of cool drinks. Am I right? Yes, types. Idli, dosa, vada, puri, chapati. All these are types of tiffins. In the same manner, in data also we have some types. Those are called data types. So these two doesn't support data types. Now Dennis Ritchie developed one programming language which support data types. So from B language, C language was developed. So B led to C. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972 at AT&T Bell Laboratory. Laboratory name is Bell Laboratory. It is AT&T Bell Laboratory on computer which is having Unix operating system. On Unix machine. It is about the C programming language. It is about the C programming language. Right. Actually, C is a typed programming language. C is a typed programming language. Means, what is the meaning of this one? Typed means it supports data types.
Data types.
Very good. Which support data type is called as typed programming language. Which doesn't support data type is called as typeless programming languages. So it is about the history of C programming language. Now I am going to explain you what is C. My dear friends, I already told you there are basically two types of programming languages, low level and high level. But C is a middle level language. Why? Because it can write, we can write program in C language by using zeros and ones. Also, we can write the program by using English words. So it supports low level as well as high level. So it is called middle level programming language. C is a middle level programming language. C is a typed programming language. What is the meaning of typed? It supports data types. C is a case sensitive programming language. What is the meaning of case sensitive? Suppose a language which feels small a and capital A both are not same. It sends the lower case or uppercase. Then it is called case sensitive Case means lowercase or uppercase. It should be identify the lowercase letters are different, uppercase letters are different. Then it is called case sensitive programming language. Right? In C language, RAMA, RAMA, both are not same. Why? Because it has capital letter, it has small letter. So it is called case sensitive programming language. Case sensitive programming language. C is a structured programming language. Structured programming language. My dear friends, in the world, so many persons are there. So many human beings are there. All the human beings are having the head at top, then body, then legs. All the human beings are having same structure. On top, head, then body, then legs. So in C language also, you need to follow the structure. What we need to write down, what we need to write next, what we need to write next. You have to follow the structure. If you don't follow the structure, then your program will not be executed. So remembering the logic and remembering the order also, both are very, very important. Only logic remembering is not enough. Order also you have to remember. Order also you have to follow. That is called structured programming language. Structured programming language. C is a POP. POP means procedure oriented programming language. C is a POP language. It gives more priority to procedure and it gives less priority to data. It gives more priority to procedure and give less priority to data. Less priority to data. So it is called POP language. It is about C language. Now, my dear friends, listen carefully. After we have 5 free demo classes. 5 free demo classes we have. After completion of free 5 demo classes, then I will create a WhatsApp group for you. I will send this material every day to you using that WhatsApp group. Until completion of 5 free demo classes, you need to note it down. After completion of free demo classes, then you need not to note it down. Why? Because I will send this material every day to you, soft copy. Then you need not to note it down. You can simply take a printout also. So up to that, you need to note it down. Please note down this one. My dear friends, note down this history and what is C programming language.
Already done, sir.
Better to write down while teaching. Don't write, right? I will give some time to you. Then you better write. More concentrate on listening. Concentrate more on listening. Or concentrate more on interacting. Give priority to interact. Speak to me. If you have any doubt, better to speak to me. I am giving one suggestion to you. Without, you should leave the class without doubt. If you have any doubt, you have to stay here and ask the doubt. And after clearing only, you need to leave. It is only the way to learn C programming language very well. My dear friends, It is the Google Pay number. If you want to pay the fee and to continue the class, it is the Google Pay number to pay the fee. The fee is just 50 Rand.
Hi sir, I have one question.
Bharat,
या
Ask me.
आपके ये क्लास होने के बाद सर मैं मतलब अभी मैंने एक जॉब अप्लाई किया था इन्फोसिस में
good.
लिनक्स एक्सपर्ट बट देयर इज सी एंड सी प्लस प्लस ऐसा लिखा था, तो ये लिनक्स के साथ ये मैं कोर्स कर सकता हूँ ना?
Yes, yes.
हाँ, लेकिन वो यूज कैसे होगा इंडस्ट्री में? उधर 4 साल एक्सपीरियंस लिखा था उन्होंने.
Without C language, you cannot write any program. All, if you want to go for coding, then C is compulsory. Okay. The tools, those are available in C language. Those are used in all other languages.
यस सर, करेक्ट. बट
If is a tool,
लिनक्स,
switch is a tool.
हाँ
While, for, do while, both are, so many tools are there. Right? If you have to use all these tools in different programming languages.
करेक्ट.
Hmm.
तो लिनक्स के साथ सी कैसे ये क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कैसे यूज हो सकता है?
Suppose if you want to compare anyone, then you have to use C language, whether it may be in Linux or whether it may be in any programming language, whether it may be in any operating system. You have to use C language technique in anyone. Suppose whenever we are starting the computer, suppose your operating system is, your computer is having multiple operating systems.
करेक्ट.
Depends upon your selection. That operating system need to be open. Am I right?
या डुअल बूट if you have
that checking can be done by using C language only. C language logic. All the logics you can learn in C language only.
but sir, how to build logic in programming? Because already I done a B computer engineering, but still I am not getting any logic and programming, so I am using the system administration part now, working at the system administration.
Okay. After completion of this class, 45 days classes, right? You can know how to write coding, right? Believe me, okay, I am explaining the programs in such a way how to write coding, right?
Correct.
Okay, good.
Okay sir, thank you.
Thank you, Bharat.
Sir,
Ma, Soumya.
नेक्स्ट क्लास हम लिंक कैसे मिलेगा क्लास करने के लिए?
Link,
मतलब
same link, right? For
मेल
5,
में जाकर
yes. For 5 free demo classes, same link you have to use.
और पेड के बाद
After paid ke baad, they will send a new link to you. Then you can use that for entire classes. Clear?
यस सर. और ये डेमो क्लास कब तक चलेगा?
5 days. 5 days means up to Friday.
थैंक यू सर.
Sir, up to Friday we get just like the how to do the programming logic.
No. Up to Friday, okay, it's not right. You will get some little.
No, not sir, immediate, just like the logic. So we will decide to
Yes. You will get some logic. Good.
attend the class or not, just like that. So I'm asking.
You will get some logic, right? Within these 5 classes, I will tell you how to write some programs, how to write some logics. I will explain you.
Okay.
Sir,
Ma.
so can you explain why it's called structured programming language?
Structure means, see, suppose there are two numbers. A, its value is 10. B, its value is 20. I want to interchange the values. For that, you need to write the logic like this. T equal to A equal to B equal to T. It is the correct logic. Suppose I write like this. A equal to B equal to T, and T equal to A. This one I write at last. Then it won't work properly. You have to remember the logic. And you have to remember the order also. You have to follow the structure also. It should be the first statement. Then it is second. Then it is third. So you have to follow the structure also. Okay. You cannot write any program as per your convenient. You have to remember the structure also. So it is called structured programming. Clear, my dear friends?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Good.
sir.
Good. We need to remember the logic as well as we need to remember the order, means sequence. Sequence also very, very important. That is called structure. If you complete, then I can go to next topic. Please tell me. After completion of writing, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Shashank is asking, sir, we will be in a position to think and write code by own after this course? Yes. Okay, you will be in that position, right? My dear friends, can I go to next topic? Okay, before going to move to next topic, I forgot to explain you working days. I will take the class from Monday to Friday only. Monday to Friday. We don't have any class on Saturday and Sunday. Weekends or holidays, right? So we have just 5 working days per week. Now come to here. My dear friends. Now, suppose I want to construct a house. First of all, what is the task we need to do? What are the sequence of steps we need to perform? First, we need to take a plan, am I right? After that, we need to construct. After that, we can perform, we can do a ceremony, house opening ceremony, and use the house. Am I right? These
Yes,
3
sir.
steps we have. In the same manner, plan is very, very important. In computer also, before writing a program, you need to write a plan. That plan is nothing but algorithm. What is that? Algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step procedure. So it is a step-by-step procedure. Step-by-step procedure. To solve a problem. If you want to solve a problem, you need to write some steps of procedure. So that step-by-step procedure is called as an algorithm. Right. I will give some small examples for different problems. My first question is, write an algorithm to find area of rectangle. Actually, algorithm is a language independent. Language independent means it is just a plan. By seeing the algorithm, you can write a C program, or you can write a Java program, or you can write a say Python program. To write C program or to write Java program or to write Python program, you should have a plan. That plan is nothing but algorithm. Just you need to tell the procedure, that's it. The algorithm always begins with steps. So if it is first program, program number 1, if it is first program, then we need to write steps like this. First step. First step is always to start. Then, my dear friends, to know the area of rectangle, what we require? Suppose this is rectangle. I want to know the area. To find the area, what we require here? To find the area, we need to read length. We need to read width. Am I right? Length we read. Length. And width. We need to know these two. So it is called length. It is called length. It is called width. When you know length and width, then only you can find the area. So before continue, we have to read length comma width. Read can be right like this. Input. Input means read. Length and width we need to read. Now we have length and we have width also. Then we can find the area, no? Finding. Finding can be represented by using calculate. Calculate area. Suppose you know length, you know width, then you can calculate the area. After calculating the result, then you need to print the result. What is the result here? Area is the result. Finally, we have to stop the program. It is nothing but algorithm. We have to start the algorithm. We need to read length and width. When you know length and width, you can find the area. So calculate the area. Now you got the result. Result should be printed on screen. So print the area. Now program completed. Final step is stop. It is about algorithm. Is it clear, my dear friends? How to write algorithm? Yes. Note on this one. Note it down. You have to remember, algorithm is not a program. Algorithm is nothing but it gives us plan, that's it. It gives basic idea how to find the area, that's it. In that we will have only step-by-step procedure. It will tell you what to do. It won't tell you how to do. So here it is telling how to, it is not telling how to find the area. It is telling what to do, that's it. It is not telling how to do. After completion of writing, please tell me, then I will go to the next topic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Soumya. Now I am going to write second program. Write an algorithm to find simple interest. Simple interest. Jyoti Krishnan, what is DSA? DSA in Calso. DSO, C. DSC in C, also in course, sir. Was it DSA, Jyoti?
Data structure and algorithms.
No. Data structures are different. After learning the C language, you can learn data structures, right?
Okay.
Without knowing the C, you cannot learn DS.
After complete the C, we can
Yes.
any language like Java or
Yes. After learning C, then only you can learn DS.
okay.
It is one subject,
Okay, understand, sir. Okay.
right?
You can handle the DSA also, sir?
Yes. DS also I can handle.
Okay.
C++, Java, Python, web technologies also I can handle, right?
In
So these are
DurgaSoft
the
itself, in DurgaSoft itself.
Yes.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So now, what we need to find here, my dear friends? Simple interest. Before going to solve any problem, better to recap the formula. What is the formula to find simple interest?
PTR by 100.
Very good. P into T into R by 100. Here we have two parts. One is the right hand side, one is the left hand side, two equal to operator. What are the variables we used here in right hand side? Those we need to read. What are the variables we used at left hand side? This one we need to calculate. Here P value, T value, R value we need to read. Simple interest value we have to calculate. So this formula, if you know very well, then you can start the program. First step is always start. Second step, to find the simple interest, we need to read the PTR values. Reading means input. What are the values? P value, T value, R value, we need to read. Now we have PTR values. Then what we can do? We can find the simple interest. How to find? By using calculate. What we need to find? Simple interest we need to find. It is nothing but result. After finding the result, what you can do? You can print it. So print. What is the result you find? Simple interest, SI. So you read the data, you find the output, you print the output. Finally, you have to stop the program. So in this way, you can solve this problem. Simple interest problem. Clear, my dear friends? Is it clear? Right, note it down. Note down this program, my dear friends. After completion of writing, please tell me, I can go to next question.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next one is write an algorithm to find net salary of an employee. My dear friends, what is the formula to find net salary? Before going to solve this, we need to recap the formula. Formula for net salary is basic salary plus house rent allowance plus direct allowance minus provident fund. It is the formula. We need to know the basic salary of an employee. What is the house rent allowance he is getting? What is the direct allowance he is getting? What is the provident fund he is deducting from his salary? It is the formula. Here we need to read these four values. Then you can find this result. Then you can print it. Now, my dear friends, can you tell me what are the steps we have to use here? First step. What is the first step? Speak
Start.
out. Good. Start. What is the second step? We need to read these values. Input. What are the values you require?
Basic.
HRA,
DA.
DA, and PF. Now we have four values. Now what we can calculate? Net salary we can calculate. Calculate. How to calculate net salary? By using this formula. Now you find the net salary. Then what to do? We need to print it. Print net salary. Now you read basic salary, house rent allowance, direct allowance, provident fund. You calculated net salary. You printed the result. Now the program completed. Stop. It is the solution to find the net salary of an employee. Write down this question, my dear friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, my dear friends. If you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. Do you have any doubt in today's class, my dear friends? Bharat,
No, sir.
Jyoti, Soumya, Pujita,
Sir.
Shashank, Shivam. Ask me.
Sir, after hello.
Tell me, Bharat.
Sir, after doing this course, C, so it is required to do the another course for getting the job.
Yes. We need to learn, right? C is just ABCDs. Only with C, you cannot get any job, right?
Hello.
To get a job, you need to learn Python or Java.
After that, you need to learn Python and Java with Linux.
Yes, Python or Java, anyone you have to learn.
But I have a 4-year means I have 3 years desktop support experience and 2 years system admin experience.
Okay, you are having some experience in different areas, but you are not having experience in coding, no?
Yes, sir, correct.
If you want to move to coding part, then only C is not enough.
Yeah,
After
correct.
that, you need to learn Python or Java or any full stack development courses. So many courses are there. You need to learn any one, right?
But that time I'm as a fresher, I'm how to get a job because I'm new in. If I learn in C, after that Python, then how to get a job in, because in outside the company required to more than 3 years of experience.
Okay, already you have some experience in different areas. Now
Yes.
you are changing your area, that's it. Then they can allow you, right? You have some working experience, how to work in company, how to work with the colleagues. Okay, the atmosphere, you know very well. Only the thing is, you don't know the technology. You upgraded the technology, then you can easily get a job, right?
Yes, sir.
Bharat. Okay, good.
Hello.
Amma, Shankar, tell me.
Sir, I have one question.
Ask me.
I completed my graduation in electrical engineering.
Okay, good. Triple E.
I want to grow my career in IT field.
Very good. Very good.
What are the skill I have to improve?
First of all, in IT, you should have the coding knowledge.
Okay. And
To
sir,
do coding, you need to learn so many programming. You need to learn some programming languages like Python, Java, or .NET. Any programming language you can learn.
okay. Sir,
But-
I have one question.
Uh.
For DevOps engineer position, what are the skills are required?
For anyone, it is compulsory. For DevOps, you need to learn C or Java.
Okay.
C and Java, not C or Java. C and Java. C is compulsory. Then
Okay,
you can
sir.
learn Java or Python or other else.
And sir, how can I get the job as a fresher in IT field?
You don't have any experience?
No,
Shankar?
sir. I am fresher, sir.
Then fresher, there are so many jobs. If you know C language very well, then you will get a job. Why? Because in interview, they will ask only write program in C or Java or Python. If you know C, it's enough to get a job for fresher.
Okay, sir.
After completion of C also, you can attend to interviews. No problem at all.
Sir, there is any effect of my field is non-IT?
No. For IT, coding skills is very important. It is not important you are related to mechanical, you are related to CSC, you are related to Triple E. It is not required. Any person is having coding skills. Okay, they need that.
Okay, sir.
The person is not important, your branch is not important. Your skills are, coding skills are very, very important. Try to build your coding skills. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Good. Any other question? Otherwise, I will wind up. Shivam, Subhash, Tripathi. Any doubts from your side? Or can I wind up?
Class recording. Sir,
Amma, Somasarika, tell me.
sir, recording मिल सकता है क्या class में?
Yes. You will get recording sessions and you will get the soft copy of material, right? Both you will get. After paying the money, they will send this recording. Now it is recording, right? After completion of 5 free demo classes, they will share all the recording sessions to you. I will send this material to you every day. No problem at all. Clear? You will get the material and you will get the recording sessions also. Right, my dear friends? If you don't have any question, I will wind up. Thank you so much for attending the class. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bharat. Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Tripathi. Thank you, Pujita. Thank you so much.